We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville. And today we're going to be looking at our 8.5 by 22 foot Dovetail Deckover trailer. This is a tandem axle trailer, and it has two 5,200 pound axles with brakes. The wheels are 15-inch steel wheels. The floor of the trailer is pressure treated wood. Does come with stand-up ramps. It is fully wired with LED lights. This is a 6-inch C-channel frame coming around front. It does have a 2 5/16 adjustable coupler, as well as safety chains. And it is supported by a heavy duty adjustable 8,000 pound jack. It does have a spare tire mount. And over here it does also have a breakaway box. Once again, this is our 8.5 by 22 foot Deckover tandem axle.